5? No? He claimed that he hadn't spent that much. So it's very surprised, and I think this guy, I read this guy must be an honest guy. So let me introduce Japan Homes, the CEO. Maybe give us a speech and talk about Japan Homes. Thank you.
Today I'm gonna talk about 3 stories. First, when am I building houses in New Zealand? 25 years ago, I had absolutely nothing, no money, no connection, no local language skill, no permanent residency, and no qualifications. I wanted to test myself from absolutely zero around the world, and after searching across the globe, I finally arrived here in New Zealand. Style design homes which seamlessly fuse traditional Japanese with Scandinavian functionality. My mission is simple: to bring Japanese world-class meticulous craftsmanship and honest construction management to New Zealand, and by doing so, solve the core challenge that Japan Homes is heading over the next 10 years. We have no intention of remaining just a local home builder. Moving forward, we are scaling up in Australia. After conducting through market research for a year and a half, we officially launched our operation there this year, and I am thrilled to report that we are.
Thank you.